Mwachumuligirira niko chinga kichibono kati y'abarimu kuri Assembly ya Junior Secondary School imeye kaunti Nyamira bakorokana kwabo gutinda sokorokana ko mu serikali yamaga serikali gutekera niko gani kwabo ana mwana soko nyara kuri kwa central ya butambe kuste permanent pension bo niko chinga kichibatebirwa nambaro chikera na sevirasi bibuga ike serikali yeguruko gani kwabo nyirabona niga goteri tukelimo magega y'abanyagitali ya nemono korwa ase kaunti Nairobi ose abarimu kuri ase kaunti Nairobi Assembly ya Junior Secondary abatu bakora okorobekana kwabo litukliko ko murungani ya serikali ngo batse no kuri kugwetera centre ya contract ko seconda engawatiri kuchukwanchira na kwani bali kubuna bali mubande nako kandi banyale kuligererwa okogani kwabo anika go chamutoka makema iganje nsemeli budget kote una negendrete kumulikira igoro ya mwanete chisemi asibona bali bategere kote una ko ikabali kwe batari ko se batari ko likunse ya konda osensemeli ya permanent and pension.
I've seen several letters splashed in funerals and political rallies. Yes. Initially, the procedure was that just you graduate earlier, you get appointment earlier. But what we are seeing now is that our political leaders are bringing letters to give people who graduated about even 2 months ago, leaving those of us who have been in the field who graduated about 2017, 2014, 2016. Honestly, it's extremely unfair.
One of the lawyers of TSC one week ago said that we are cleaners and painters, and so we are here to confirm to them that we are not going to those school because we are painters and we are cleaners until they come out and apologize.